making my mind fail. Throwing no weight on the thing that I wanna get nasty. Throwing no weight on the thing that I wanna get nasty.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a romantic anniversary dinner at the house. First, let's go ahead and take the time to give a shout out to my husband, because this setup while I was cooking, it was so sweet and so unexpected, honestly, because yeah. Anyway, today on the menu we are making lamb chops, lobster, Brussels sprout, and mashed potatoes. Oh yeah, also cream spinach. So sit back and enjoy. So first things first, I am going to trim the lamb chops. I'm going to cut them into lollipop lamb chops, and then I am going to clean them. I clean my lamb chops with vinegar and warm water. I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I rinse the water until it is completely clear. Honestly, y'all, I can't give y'all a tutorial on how to cut lamb chops. All I can say is get you some kitchen shears. You guys need kitchen shears, and make sure that they are really, really sharp, and a sharp knife. That's all I can say. And cut along the bone.
My looks, my hair, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy.
Here I'm just trimming the fat on the lamb chop. I've noticed when I do this, it's easier to cut. So that's a little fun little tip. Here I'm just rinsing off the extra gunk before I put them inside my bowl for them to sit for 35 minutes with vinegar. Okay guys, so let's wash our hands and jump into the next element. Next, I believe I'm peeling the shrimp in the next clip. So we're just going to peel the shrimp, and all I did was season it with some Old Bay seasoning, and then we're going to get into the lobster. Y'all, look how beautiful these lobsters are, and they were only, for all 4 of them, I only got them for like, I think $25 at Kroger. Yeah, they were so beautiful, like obsessed. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut them how I want to. I cut 2 of them into butterflies, and then I laid the other 2 just on top of the shell. Then I rinse them off and season them with some virgin olive oil, Old Bay, and a little bit of cayenne pepper.
Boy, don't you know you can't mistake me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. To stay, you're determined to leave, boy. I will not stand in your way. But inevitably, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, baby, our love will never end. No, no. You definitely.
And then here comes mommy, little helper. I love it when she comes in the kitchen to come cook with me. She's like my little sous chef and my little pat. She follows me everywhere I put the foot. But I love it so much. I love her being in the kitchen with me. It's just, I don't know, it just brings joy to me. Like, look at her smile, like, obsessed. So if you guys pay attention to that clip, you see how clear the water is? That's how clear you want it to be before you move forward. Next, we're just going to go ahead and season these up. I use seasoning oil, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, adobo seasoning, W sauce, some teriyaki sauce, and some Buffalo Wild Wings mango habanero sauce. I love that sauce, especially when I'm marinating things. It just takes the meat to the next level. I love it. Anyway, everything will be down in the description below, so just sit back, enjoy the music and the video.
Fuck with you, girl. All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Now me and my little helper, we were talking to my grandparents. Now we're going to move on to our cream spinach. I'm sure everybody knows y'all buy frozen spinach, because that fresh spinach, when you cook it down, baby, you paying for nothing. So go ahead and get the frozen spinach and do what you want to do with it. This cream spinach came out so good. You can serve it as is, or you can put it in some salmon, make some stuffed salmon, add some crab meat. Girl, do you? Or you even add the chicken too if you got a seafood allergy. But oh my god, it came out so good. All I used was this frozen spinach, some cream cheese, a little bit of butter, onion powder, garlic powder, and Adobo Seasoning, as well as Parmesan cheese.
No astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night.
Now it's time to make the glaze. Y'all, if y'all don't do anything else, please make this glaze. It is some brown sugar, some teriyaki sauce, and that Buffalo Wild Wing mango habanero. You can get that sauce from Kroger, Walmart, or Buffalo Wild Wings, but get it from Kroger. It's cheaper than Kroger. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Let it cook down and reduce itself. Whew! When you add this to some lamb chops, baby, chef's kiss.
Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Won't be right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are mine.
Now it is time to play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below of other cooking videos that you guys want me to do. I am open to everything. Cooking is my therapy, so yeah. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.
Be afraid.